Hello guys, welcome to today analysis on Alchemy Pay. Today analysis is an interesting one due to the recent crackdown on cryptocurrencies and the lawsuit filed by SEC against Binance. It now sent several crypto into a very big downward reversal, but there are still some cryptos that are trying to go against the pressure, and the selling is just short-lived on them while they are now bouncing up and showing optimism to the upside. These are the type of crypto I like to bring to you daily, and I like to do analysis on, which I recommend for my fans so they can always benefit from these coins. One of them is Alchemy Pay, and let me get to this analysis in a jiffy. When you look at my chart from the right hand side, you will see there is a rectangular blue support zone that was drawn. Formerly, prior, Alchemy Pay bounced off from the support zone. That's the 200-day moving average. It head up a little bit, hitting the 50-day average. Then, prior to the news of the negativity in the crypto market, it's traded a little sideways, and then it now dropped while reacting to the news, almost hitting the 200-day moving average again. But there are some things playing an important role. I want to expose you to some price movement and tricks behind price action, which will help you in your coin holding. When you look at my chart, despite the turbulence and the negativity of the news, Alchemy Pay sold off for about 3 sections, and while the 3 sections was in red, the volume was below the average volume. Only one volume, which is the last bar, that's on the average volume. One thing I want you to understand about this is that whenever there is a movement, if the movement is a definite one, it's going to have a volume behind it which will support such movement. And if the movement is a weak one, it's not going to have volume. This is the type of movement that happened due to the crackdown on crypto news which hit the media. This movement came down, but it has a very less volume. What this is trying to communicate to us is that the professionals are not selling, they are holding tight. The whales are holding tight. It's the amateurs, the emotional traders, those are the ones selling their coin. And while they are selling, it's an opportunity for professional traders, whales and the big boys to grab Alchemy Pay at a cheaper price, because they will now be buying from the novice and the amateur traders, and that's exactly what is playing along here. I have more analysis to explain. Before I get to that, guys, I'm going to appeal to you in order to encourage me to continue posting analysis on your favorite cryptocurrency pair. Kindly subscribe to my channel, like the video, share with your friends. You are going to enjoy this analysis. Let me continue. When you now look at it on this support, the price is now about to start bouncing up, and that has given the whales a little bit advantage of gaining Alchemy Pay at a very cheaper price, because the volume is going to come in hard and it's going to be huge. The price is on support zone. That's the level of the seller. That's the floor for the buyers. And don't forget, when price is trading around support zone, we always like the price to have a low volume. So by the time volume comes in, the price will rally up and uptrend will continue. This kind of scenario that is happening here, if you look at the chart towards the first place of the support zone, almost the same type of scenario happened. The price was trading towards the support zone. You can see from this from this outside bar, all the volumes are well below average volume, and the price keeps dropping until it gets to the support zone. While at the support zone, you can see the volume is still very low, and then the buyers pick up with just 4 bars. You can see the volumes are above average from the 3 bars. So, and ever since then, Alchemy Pay has not been able to violate the low of this bar. So these are the type of action we like to see at a support zone, which always strengthen our belief and encourage us to continue with our analysis that we are holding coin in the right direction and our trade is doing very beautiful. Let me zoom out and show you the big picture, then which will make us be rest assured that our trade is still going on favorable and things is still working fine in our favor. When you look at the chart from the left hand side, you can see the market bottom. We had a rally, a very beautiful one, which rise up to 0.1. You can see on the bottom of the chart all the blue skyscraper volume that are supporting the direction of the trend, why the red ones are very weak. The only red one that is high is this particular bar. Every other ones are not as high as the blue bar. These are the type of action we like to see in a rally. And when there was correction from 0.1 to 2, looking at the volume underneath the price, you can see these volume are well below the average volume. So it's telling us that no, the sellers are weak and they are not much selling coming into Alchemy Pay. That's the type of actions that strengthen our analysis. Then we have this upward rally a little bit before it's now range on the 200 on the 50-day and 21-day exponential moving average, and then it's now dropped down to the support to recharge and start another leg of rally. Why the correction started from here and it dropped downward? The volume was less, and as the price keeps dropping, the volume continues to less. That's also fine. Why the price is dropping and the volume is reducing, it's an amateur selling, not professional selling, and that type of selling does not discourage one to get out of its trade. It's just a way to get a cheaper price when the price trades towards support levels on the chart. This is my analysis on Alchemy Pay. As it's bouncing off this support, we expect it to continue its rally upward and the uptrend should resume. Guys, I want you to subscribe to my channel. Your subscription is what makes me to come with beautiful and sound analysis daily on your favorite cryptocurrencies. If you have any coin you need analysis on, paste it in the comment section, like the video, share with your friends. Bye. I'll see you guys in the next analysis.